Your talent can take you to the US a special visa rewards achievement. No degree required. The O-1 visa opens doors for individuals with extraordinary ability in their field. No college degree? That's okay. The O-1 is focused on your professional achievements. To qualify, you must show extraordinary ability, demonstrated by sustained national or international acclaim. Evidence can include major awards, media coverage, published work, and recognition from peers or experts. Press mentions or media features about your accomplishments can help prove your impact. Prestigious awards, national or international, even nominations can strengthen your O-1 application. Outstanding contributions, like speaking at major conferences, set you apart as an expert. Artists, performers, and creatives. The O-1 spans fields like arts, entertainment, music, and design. Scientists, researchers, and tech innovators, your discoveries and inventions may qualify. Business leaders and entrepreneurs, demonstrated leadership and innovation make you eligible too. Many O-1 holders later transition to the EB-1A green card for permanent residency. Strong profiles often enjoy high approval rates and priority processing on the O-1 visa. Start gathering your documents. The more clear official evidence, the stronger your application. Your talent is your ticket. Explore the O-1 pathway today.